Struggling to find where to add a blog in Hostinger? I will show you exactly which buttons to click in under 5 minutes. Here is the plan. First, we will open the Pages section. Then, we will add a brand new blog page. And finally, we will customize the very first post. Let us jump in. So let us start by opening your Hostinger website builder. This is the main dashboard where you design everything on your site. You should already be logged in and looking at your project. Now locate the Pages menu on the left-hand side. It is usually a little icon that says Pages, and it is where all the individual pages of your website live. Think of it as the table of contents for your whole site. Go ahead and click on Pages. Once the page section opens up, look for the Add Page button. It is typically up in the top right corner of that area. Click on Add Page. This is how you tell Hostinger you want something brand new. A template window will pop up. Scroll through the options until you see Blog. Click on Blog. This will add a pre-built blog layout that saves you a ton of time. No need to start from scratch. Now, you will see a confirmation prompt. Just click on the blog option again to confirm. Hostinger just wants to make sure you really want to add a full blog section. It is a simple double check. All right, your blank blog is now on the site, but we need to put some actual content in it. Hover your mouse over the default blog post that appeared. You will see an Edit Post button. Click on it. This is where the real fun begins. You will now be inside the blog post editor. It looks very similar to a word processor. Click on Edit Post again, but this time click directly on the text area to start typing. Let us change that generic placeholder text into something that sounds like you. Now let us make your post look great. Select a sentence or a paragraph you want to stand out. Then click on the highlight button in the toolbar above. It is the icon that looks like a marker pen. This will draw attention to your key points. Find another section you want to emphasize. Highlight the text just like you did before. This keeps your reader from getting lost in a wall of words. One more highlight for emphasis. Pick a final important phrase or statistic and give it that same treatment. It breaks up the page and makes the content way more scannable. Now let us step back and look at the big picture. Click on Edit Blog Header. This is the big title area at the very top of your blog page. You can change the headline here or adjust the background image. Make it match the vibe of your website. Once you have everything looking good, hit the Save button. Then click Preview to see it from a visitor's perspective. This is your chance to catch any typos or alignment issues before the world sees it. If everything looks great, hit that Publish button. This makes your blog page live for everyone. Do not forget this step, or nobody will see your hard work. Take one last look at your page. Scroll through the header, the post, and the highlights. Everything should feel cohesive and professional. And just like that, you have gone from being lost in the dashboard to having a fully functional blog ready to go. Happy blogging!